So check this out. We know how to use the cross method to find out if these two ratios are equivalent. We stick them in the cross, we find out, well, how many groups do we need to get the bottom number? In this case, we need 20 groups of 1 and 20 groups of 2, and we have our answer of 20 and 40. And we know that these are equivalent ratios because their groups are the same. But there's another way to do this, and it's by using the value of the ratio. Let's find out how it works. Okay, so to find the value of the ratio, your first step is to turn this ratio into its fraction form. Easy enough. Now, the proper way of doing this would be to divide the 4 by the 8. But you don't have to do that, actually. You just have to simplify. So hopefully you remember how to simplify a fraction. First of all, whatever you do to the bottom, you must do to the top. So is there a number that I could divide both 4 and 8 by? And the answer is for sure. You could divide both 4 and 8 by 4. And you would get 1 over 2, or 1/2. And there you have it. There's the value of the ratio. That's simple. You could, if you were good at division, actually do the division, but I wouldn't do it just yet. This is far enough. You don't have to keep going. What if you get this ratio, 50 to 100? Well, like I said, you just write this as 50 over 100. And now you have to divide both the top and the bottom by the same number. What number can go into 50 and 100? 50 can. So 50 divided by 50, that's 1. 100 divided by 50, that's 2. Oh, wow. We have 1/2 and 1/2. What does this mean? That means that these two guys, because they have the same value of a ratio, they are equivalent. I hope that wasn't too bad. That's how you find the value of a ratio. And we're going to have some practice problems as always. So think about it, get ready, and go.